Very good morning, dear students. Today's we are going to discuss all the SQL commands, basic commands, and what we have discussed in the previous lessons. So first, what we can do first, we have to be connect with the SQL command line prompt. How we can connect? Simply write co system and password is suppose Deepak. So enter it. So you will get the message you are connected. Screen the clear CL space SCR. Screen will be clear. What we are going to do, we have a file which contains the script of all the tables, like all four tables. I'll show you here. So what we can do, we can just design and we can just copy the database here. So here the table name is drop table department, employee table, and the data is inserted through the insert commands. So what we can do, simply we copy this data and use as a for query purpose. So I'll first what I can do, I copied this file. The file name is score.sql, is available in the most of the database. We are using the Oracle 10G software. So I copied here from the drop table and this copied till commit. So I copied it and I right click over here or paste it here simply. So we have done. So we will check whether the data is exist or not. First, what we can do, we run the command select start from tab. Tab means it will show all the tables. So look at here, the table name department, EMP, bonus and cell grid is exist. Okay, fine. So what we can do, we will check the all the schemas of the tables through the command of describe DSCMP DSC department. So simply we can do it DESC cell grade. So one more table, that is bonus DSC BONOUS bonus. No table is not exist. We will check which was the table and select star from tab with the help of command. The table name was BONUS. Okay, fine. So what we can do, simply we can write select BONUS bonus. So it will show all the schema of the table will display. So we will clear the screen. So what we can do, we can perform the query select SELE select star from EMP, for example. So we will get this data set. We can format this set. How? Set page line, set page line, suppose we have set 50. Set line size equals to 100. Set page size 50. Now we will check the command with the arrow keys. We will check the command select star from EMP. Now the data set is in the formatted. With the help of command set page size and line size, we can manage the whole data set. I hope it is clear, understandable to you. Now what we can do, look at here. Now we will run the command select SELET select star from DPT. So we will see the data sets. Fine. Select star from cell grid. So you can see select star from bonus. So in the bonus table there is no record. Okay, fine. Now what we can do, we can execute the command select star from emp comma dpt. So you can look at here, the total number is 56. Okay, so cl scr. Now what we are trying to do, so I'll show you the one file through which we can understand what we are trying to perform here. Here we can create the table also. Okay, the table name is, suppose we want to create a table student. The roll number is the column name, number is a size, name varchar 2 marks 4 comma 2. Suppose we can change this, for example 5 comma 2. So I copied it from here and just simply copied it and paste it here. Okay, so see this, the table is created. Now the table name is student. So look at here, the student table is created here. So there is no data in this table. We will check select star from student. So what we can do, we will insert the data. Now there are three ways through which we can insert the values. So first way, in the default, we will try first this one. We will copy and insert into table name student values. So we will paste it here. So enter it. One row is created. Now we will check the query. Yes, now the first record is created. Okay. Now what we can do, we will try another method. The method is insert into the student values roll number. This, so we can paste it here. Then this way, enter the roll number. Suppose we have entered the roll number 2 and the name is Deepak Motwani and the marks is suppose 23. So one row is created. Is it fine? So what we can do, we can execute this command again. Suppose roll number 3, name is Kamal, for example, and the marks is 3, 4, 5, for example. The row is created. Now we can use the backslash to re-execute the command. 23 roll number, name is Ravina, for example, the marks is 45. So it will be done. So this way you can do it. Suppose you want to enter only the two columns, so you can use the this way insert into student roll number and values, so that only two values will be entered. So enter, we have entered the roll number, suppose 11, name is suppose DDD. So what is the error? It will show the error. So we will try to find out what's the problem. So if I write it here, insert into student roll number values, roll number and ampersand name. So what we can do, we can try once again. The column name is roll number. So we will try roll number and name and values, roll number and single quote and name. For example, we have mentioned here name. So we will try to execute insert into student, then values, roll number 2, 3, 4, 5, for example. No, we will just enter the roll number 7. The name is Rashmi, for example. We just try, so it will be entered. Okay, fine. So that means we can insert a particular value. So finally we can execute select star from student table. So this way we can understand, we can blank the marks also. This is the practically we can do it. Here some examples are given. Oracle is not case sensitive. This is the whole syntax of the select statement. Select from table name, group by column name, having condition, order by descending order. Descending is known as descending, ascending is known as ascending order. Some queries are given here. Select query. Suppose we want to find this query, then we want to find a particular student from the table student. What we can do, was the error here, we have to be use underscore. Okay, so what we can do, we use percentage here, that will be the better to find the maybe the one student. There is a no student in this table with the name start. So what we can do, we change the name and we will suppose D. So we will check, yes, what is the, where the name, like, then it will be work. The missing column was name. So what is the problem? Maybe the small letters, so we have to be use the small. Then finally we will find out the name, the daemon, through which we can easily understand the all the things which is important. So between operator we can use it, group by having condition we can use it. So if I write the query, suppose select this department number, I just copied it to understand this query. So run it. So finally we will get the result. Further, if I check the conditions, we can do it. Here so many statements are given, we can perform it. Some questions, display the sentence in the format, examples. Using the having clause, this query we will try to execute it. We want to find out the greater than employees, so I'll just clear the screen and try to execute the having clause. It will show the number of employees more than 3 in the department. So I hope it is easy to understandable, and through this practical way we can learn lot. In the next session we will continue. Thank you so